Welcome back to Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking. Thank you for clicking on thumbnail.
They're not deaf, Jamie.
Yeah, but it's very windy.
That's true, yeah. Welcome to Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking. Hello!
Today you will see riding, ale, and if you stick around long enough, a very nice camp spot.
All right.
You alright? Too bad.
We still got it out,
And his phone.
Round 2, ding ding. Well, actually, it's at round 3.
We haven't had anyone pay for these. Any comments? But we've done duration. We're gonna head to camp. Stick with it.
Do it, please.
It's all. It gets better.
Thank you.
It will get better from here.
Oh yeah.
We're now heading to camp. We've got somewhere in mind, haven't we, mate?
Have we? I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have, yes. Yes.
Are you going over?
Oh, yeah, it's easy.
You should have said I'd have run round there and got it.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know whether I can lift mine. I have to go back a bit.
So I'll just do this. It's like hulking out. You can do it. You can do it.
Hulking in.
You can go around there. It's like, what the fuck?
These on your fire?
We're having a fire?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, that looks. God, put a muscle in my arm. It's blowing in here a bit. We're back. We've been to this spot before, but I think we're going to hit it up. It's a disused railway on top of this embankment. I don't know what he's doing. Are you right?
Oh, hi. You probably seen me from videos like Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking, unpacking the bikes. So earlier on I said about the straps for it. Now Jamie, as you can see, has a standard what we call body bag, which is a Bivi.
No hoops.
Pardon?
No hoops.
No hoops. And he'll wrap himself up in that, and I can't seem to stay in the same place. So the hood all seems to get a bit twisted around. So
I hope I can.
yeah. We've all seen what happened to his mug. So over here is the
alternative.
Yeah, this is
or one of them.
This is the Snugpack straps fix. So this is a hoop Bivi. Now, the reason I like it is because it's pegged in. It has a pram hood thing, so if there's any wind, that kind of keeps it off your ears.
I keep trying to turn around, you
Yeah,
keep moving.
So in this thing, once you're in, which is super easy to get in your sleeping bag, you can zip it up. It's a standard bivvy, but when you're in, you've got a bit of a shelter, you know. And it's also probably only about 900 grams. That's probably about 400 grams. So when you're talking about like 400 grams, 500 grams difference, to have a hoop and it's a little system, it works for me.
I'm wondering whether we drop down, cook,
Right down that
and then, well, that's the way the wind's coming from.
Yeah, but I think, right,
I'll give you.
I'm willing to give it some.
Yeah, I think we need to be the other side. We've come down off the top because it's so windy up there. We've got a bit of shelter down the side of the embankment. Jay's just gone up to get some of his food. I think he's clambering down here somewhere. When Melanie bought this in the butcher said, "Are you sure you want that whole bit?" And a woman in there said, "Oh, go on, let him have the whole bit." So we've got the whole bit.
Oh yeah.
Okay. It's the whole bit.
Oh right.
We've made a decision. We want to camp up on here, but it's so windy. I think we're gonna duck down there where we had our tea, aren't we?
Yeah, that way obviously the wind's coming this way, but that side kind of it blocks the wind. We just had our tea and it's like quite nice to have this.
I think we're going to have a few drinks up on here before we turn in, but if we camp up on here, it's probably going to be a windy old night and we might not sleep very well. So look at that sky now.
Nice to sit out there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think we'll camp down there, sit up here, can't we? He's coming up shortly. I think we're going to go in with an ale watch and then we're going to drink them. We could do with a drink. We haven't had much drink today.
So, we've done the unpacking and we've done the, oh wow, it can really change because it can get suddenly windy or whatever. We have a contingency in plan, but one thing we haven't discussed, lists, ladies and gentlemen, lists. Easy for me to see with these teeth, but make lists. When you think about wild camping, start making a list.
I think he's forgotten something.
No, but I just suddenly realised that we've gotten really good at this and we have a contingency for everything, but lists, write down stuff, make a list.
Is this going somewhere?
No, it's not. Are we doing nail watch?
I am, yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
I'm going to go in with an ale watch and then he's going to do his. We've been to Duration, which is a very good brewery. This is a Duration cutting grass. And this is a Duration another day done. Another day nearly done. Which end we going?
This way. Yeah,
That ain't a bad drop, is it?
It's really nice. But don't get drunk on it when you've got a bike. Another day done. This one, it's a stout. Chances are that might have been empty and I've already consumed it. I'm gonna pick up the
What happens if I kick these ones?
No, don't do that.
4.4, 4.5. There's not a lot in it, is there?
It's only 8 o'clock.
I'm going to cut the grass and then I'm going to end on another day done, I think.
That's nice. Just want to try the stout. It's only like literally. Try it. That's really nice. I'd drink that. Sensible choice.
That's me on my grass cutter there, look.
Oh yeah.
Cutting grass. Alright. Me again. Alright.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Do you want to finish this drink up? Do you want to have a walkabout?
Oh yeah, walkabout, yeah.
I was thinking, instead of going down there into that woods, what about if we walk down to that gate? Have a look down there.
I don't really want to go without my head torch. I don't
I
really want to
don't
go.
want to go down there,
No.
No. We'll go for the gate.
How about a good top gun shot like this? Look.
We're going to walk about, but I've got to get a good Top Gun shot of him, so I hear. Wait a minute.
I'm looking at the moon.
I'll try and get the moon in the shot. Oh, yeah. There's not much happening up here. Shall we go back?
Yeah. Worst walkabout ever.
Yeah, especially when we did bring our head torches.
Yeah, pretty dark.
Come on, turn this walkabout around.
What time? It must be. It's got a striker, really, shouldn't it?
Go down.
All right. We're bored of each other's conversations, so we went for Wild Camp TV.
Didn't you? Didn't you realise there were pictures of my cans?
It's like
Some spiny ash.
yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I can't
Blame that on you. I think we're going to have a last burn up. I was going to say a warm up, but we don't really need to warm up tonight. It's quite mild.
Yeah.
And down here, it's out of the wind, which is quite nice. And then we're going to turn in, I think, and get ready for... Oh, here we go. See, look, if we'd have been up there now,
Yeah, I know.
I think we made the right decision coming down here, didn't we?
I think so.
Very, very windy. Bit of a bloody problem. I think it started raining and I haven't bought any top, any poncho.
Well, it said, to be fair, it
No
said
talk of rain.
0%, right?
Yeah,
0%.
I'm sure that was a bit of rain then, wasn't it? Yeah.
Was. Was you spitting?
No.
I'm spitting.
Is there someone up on the top there spitting at us? Oh shit.
We'll be out this time of year.
Don't know. I'll have to perhaps turn my bivvy bag upside down. Oh bloody hell, man. Right, I think it's turn-in time. I'm not that happy with where I'm camped because it's Thorn City, but hopefully my foamy mat will stop punctures. We'll see. I'll let you know in the morning. Time to get into this. Action!
Jamie,
Hello there.
are you in?
Yes, I am now, yes.
I'm in.
Right, good night.
Night night. See you at breakfast.
Yes, I'll see you there. He's up. He's whittling.
Yeah.
Steep, innit?
Really steep. Oh.
Last time, come on.
Good morning.
Throw your bottle up again.
No. I threw it up and it rolled down again. This is what it's all about, innit, mate?
Yeah. Quite fancy my cup of tea.
Should we do that? Get a cook on then?
Yeah, can do. I'm not in a massive rush.
No, no, no.
I'd have laughed if they rocked down that hill.
Oh. I think I would have laughed, but then been crying at the same time because I look forward to my eggs now.
I just had toast. Enjoy that.
I did. I sounded like I didn't, but I did. I really enjoyed it. Disappointing curry, but had a great pizza. Quality ale, proper laugh, and a good night's sleep, I've got to say. So yeah, all's good.
Not really a new spot, but a new spot.
Yeah.
New spot we slept in. Anyway, rambling on. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one. Are we doing this anymore?
What?
Probably camping.
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
Probably a good chance, isn't there?
I quite like it.
Oh, no. Right, thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.
I was thinking, how the fuck am I going to make a video out of this?
Well, you always do.